Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. I have a haul from Walmart and AC Moore. I went to Michael's because I was looking for the lobster claw fasteners for my necklaces. So that's what I was in those stores for. But in AC Moore, today, what I found is this Premier mixing tray. And you know what? The Dollar Tree and got a 6-muffin pan to use as a mixing tray for my paints and acrylics. Really. Anyway, and this was on sale, half off of $3.99, so it's for $2. Alright, the next thing I bought from my AC Moore were these metallic paints. I could use these for my pours. I would like to try an all metallic paint pour. Love Nicole is the brand. I bought 4 for 60% off and 2 got the 2 for free. And these are embellishers. There we go. You can see the iridescence. Oh, and these pearls, really pretty. I also bought these pearl teardrop rhinestones. It's rhinestone. I thought that was a nice design to put on something. Should have bought 2 of them, but I only bought 1. And these are silver and gold pearls. I also bought the pearl shells. Thought that was nice too. And the last was, oh, I bought 2 sets of the drops. I like this bling gems. See how small they are. Oops, back up a little bit. There we go. Really pretty. Gems. Again, on this jewelry making mission, I found some jewel findings. They call them jewelry findings, which these are toggle clasps and jump rings. And these are so that I don't have to keep splitting the split rings in half. And so that was it from AC Moore. And from this place here, I bought felt, black felt, to replace what I used for necklace holders display. But anyway, this is it. And I made these pendants and necklace, and these are the ones that I need the clasps for. So, and I made this board here also. Here we are. Made 2 different ones. This is what it looks like on the back. And I'm using this stand to set it up. And so 4 pieces of felt, because I'm going to make 2 more of these silhouette necklace stands. Okay, at Walmart, I needed this acrylic gloss finish white, because all of the white that I have is matte finish. Matte or satin finish. And copper wire. This copper wire is a little thicker than the wire that I bought last time. This is a 20 gauge. And these are the lobster clasps. Even though they're not gold, I needed them to be gold. Or brass. The brass look. And here's some more toggles. I do plan on using silver wire. And these are some more some needles, and some clasps. This is a chain, like a lengthener chain, like when you have one of those chokers on, it has a little piece that dangles in the back. You can use that to change the width of, or the circumference of your necklace. And so that's what this chain, that's what this is. But my main thing here were these lobster clasps, and they also have the fish hook earrings in here. And so I did find the clasps that I want, not the color. And you know what? I'm going to use them anyway. And so on that note, this was real short today. I just wanted to come on and show you my haul for the jewelry venture that I'm on. And I will see you guys on the next video, which will probably be me doing another piece of jewelry or doing some more of these acrylics so that I can have more supply for my earrings and jewelry. So guys, if you're interested in that, make sure you come back. Hey guys, real quick, I just want to show you my mannequin silhouette necklace stands. Okay, I'm going to show you the first one. Alright, this is stand number 2. And I probably should put some mirror in here too. But I only just put mirror on the bottom where this lip is here. And also under here, underneath. So it looks like in the back. Yep. And this one here. Has a little bit of embellishment down the bottom. The mosaic tile mirror. But this was the first one that I did with this idea. This one here. These are 2 necklaces, by the way. So is this one. This is the stand for this one. This stick comes out. This whole thing comes apart like this. This is here. Easy put away. You know, want to put this away. Break it down and set it back up. The stick goes in here. There. Give you a close up. But yep, so this stick is glued to this here material, this piece of felt. This piece of felt is glued to the back of the silhouette. There's the hole. That stick goes, this goes here. And the stick goes in the hole in the back. And it fits in like this all the way down to where that stops. And that's it. Yeah, guys, so I had to come up with my own thing. So when I set my jewelry out now, instead of laying it flat on a tablecloth, you know, trying to find some kind of pretty tablecloth, but not so pretty that it would take away from the jewelry, you know, or take away from the display. So, yeah, that's where I'm at. And I just want to show you that real quick, guys. And if you guys would like to know how I made my jewelry stands, Just make sure you subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will know what the next thing is that I'm doing. And it could possibly be how I make my necklace stands. This right here, this is an extra piece. This is just an extra piece. An extra stand that I made. I might want to switch from this one to, let me bring it down here. From here, there. And it could be this stand. This was the first one it was on. This is the second one. This one is done on the bottom. Glue and stuff. This one's both sides. And this one I didn't do the bottom. Oh. I don't know where that came from. But yes, that's where I'm at, guys. So if you guys, again, if you like the content that I have put out in my videos today, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to comment below. Hit that notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will know. Alright, guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.